Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to download Among Us into your PC or laptop. Before we start, don't forget to click the like button as likes are super important for us. Okay guys, I'll show you two different methods how to download Among Us to your device. First of all, let's check the first method. You need to open the start menu and you need to find Microsoft Store. When you open the store, you need to go to the top search bar right here and you need to type Among Us in the search and you need to search for the game. Okay guys, as you can see, here is the Among Us, the first result, and it costs around $5. So you can get this game for $5 on Microsoft Store. You need to click the buy button right here, or if you have got the Game Pass, you can play for free. So that's the first method. Now let's check the second method. You need to have a Steam on your PC or laptop. When you open the Steam, you need to go to the search bar and you need to type Among Us and click the search button right here. Okay guys, as you can see, it's much cheaper on Steam, so you need to open the first result. And I already have got this game, but it costs $1.79 at the moment, guys. But usually this game costs $3 on Steam. So to buy this game, you need to click Add to Cart button. You need to select Purchase for myself. I can't do it because I already own this game. So when you select this, then you need to select the payment option and you need to finalize the payment. Then you can go to the library and in the list you will find the Among Us, guys. Here I already got this game. Here will be the blue install button. First of all, you need to click the install button, and once you will install the game, then you can click the play button and you can start playing Among Us. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.